build a snowman.
I'm a little snowman, look at me. These are my buttons, 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes and this is my nose. I wear a hat and scarf, brrr, it's cold.
Oh, come here. Gotcha. Hi, I'm Olaf and I like warm hugs. Oh.
Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, little snowflake falling from the sky. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, falling, 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 falling on my head. George, let's build a snowman.
Peppa and George are making a snowman. First they make the body.
George, this is the snowman's body.
Now they make the snowman's head.
Now he needs arms and eyes and a mouth.
George has found some sticks for the snowman's arms. Peppa has found some stones for the snowman's eyes and mouth.
This is his face. Now the snowman needs a nose.
Peppa has got a carrot to make the snowman's nose. The snowman looks very happy.
What do you...
I can see cookies!
You want to make cookies?
Yeah!
Do you want to make melted snowman?
Yeah! Blue hair. Blue.
JP, o ja cię.
Right? Snowflake, snowflake.
See you soon.